there was a meeting we had with the Campal residents, and those people were not in favor of the project. They said unnecessarily there will be a crowd, and you understand, no? So they were not very happy as far as the project is coming there. So then I said, if they were not interested in the project, then I said we will take it elsewhere. So most probably I will take it to maybe to Karandali or something.
To which area?
That's Karandali area, no? That park is there, no?
Okay.
From the park I no? The side acquire Lolahar land. So most probably we'll take it there. But it is not coming in Campal.
सध्या काढलेला टेंडर आता कॅन्सल केला.
तो Campal cancel केला. So fresh tender will come.
Fresh tender will
identify the places.
Okay, but project जातलो.
Project जातलो. We are not getting the money back. It is a central government fund.
Okay.
So that money will not go back. So we will utilize the funds.